hold on. Sir, ma'am.
सामने सामने यार पार्टी है वीडियो पार्टी है ना ये वीडियो पार्टी है ना स्क्रीन में दे ये वीडियो
दोनों का छोटा दोनों
इस बैकग्राउंड में चाहिए।
हाँ
इस बैकग्राउंड में तभी चलेगा
आगे स्लाइड है यार फोटो ऊपर
फ्रंट यहाँ पे बहुत
यहाँ पे
ईशान यहाँ पे
थैंक यू
Hi, thank you so much.
थोड़ा ही
सेंट अच्छा है
We post such a good
डन
we recently launched in November
I might come to the last show. Thank you so much.
एक सोलो का था एक सोलो
पार्टी तो
विदाउट
यहाँ पे
Without flowers. Just pop out from the bag.
वेरी नाइस एक ऐसे यहाँ पे ऋषभ
यहाँ पे
चलो बाइक पे लेंगे बाइक
शन बाइट यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे
हाँ यहाँ पे
Yeah, is and is. Okay. Now there's no point.
यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे लोग क्या
इधर नहीं देगा
Take it here.
यहाँ पे
There you go. It's a metaphor. Life is fleeting. This is our job. Can you believe it? We come to eat something and yeah. He's very easy promotion. That's a good job.
क्या करना है
पार्टी ना पार्टी ना
कुछ बता रहे
Oh, lovely.
अरे पीआर कौन है
यार
It's rare to get it's quite a 7-star experience.
परसों टाइम तो मिलना चाहिए
ऐसा करो तो फोटो को स्टेट हमारे पास आएंगे
Semua avocado. Avocado. दादा नाम को ऐसा करो नाम है ना सर डिश का नाम ऐसे इस तरह करो
Your dish is ready. How many dishes? Keep it this side. When he brings the dish, he can this side.
उसका भी नाम ऐसे करो दादा फोन से उसका नाम ऐसे करो
Sir,
Hold on. नहीं वापस one more ऋषभ once more
दादा एक मिनट ठीक है
Abhi, who's tasting first? Aga goes first because he's from Iran and he'll give the lowdown.
ये वीडियो काटियो थोड़ा
This is sumac avocado.
थोड़ा पीछे लेना थोड़ा पीछे
That's an interesting experience. I'm going to put one little piece of anar on top.
Why are you waiting? Like, don't write it.
मेरे में twist है मैं अनार डाल के खाता हूँ. मैं आज ही लो. ये तो सरप्राइज हो गया भाई लोग.
क्यों
Yeah, pretty good.
Actually मजे कर. Beyond the Persian. Push the Persian.
Hey, this is called kulcha A.
Maziz. Good. Ada you want to know? Just
spicy
पहली बार इतना बड़ा निवाला सर ये तो दही पूरी है
कभी हो जाता है
ये पर्शिया का कैसे
Persian spices.
स्पाइसेस Here, you want to split this? You can do half. दही पूरी है एक और बार बोलूँगा नहीं kulcha with this keema is it?
Is it meat?
What's inside? Chole. Firstly, I like it. I would eat it. It's quite nice and it's really fresh, man. That's wonderful. I've not tried it. They should change the name. Push the person. That's beyond.
They should name this way.
No, it's lovely. Thank you for having us. Thanks for having us and feeding us. Are these all your creations?
That nice.
Nicely done.
I really like this one. Very nice.
People are gonna get fit while watching our movie. Avocado is healthy food. Thank you, sir. Okay. They have a soft drink. Is it cold, sir? I have a little bit of cold. Is it possible to get a little? No? I have a sip. Thank you. No, don't worry.
चला बेटा
I feel like I have to do 5 more films to earn this kind of child.
थोड़ा आगे ये ना मैम थोड़ा हाँ यहाँ पे
can write something.
Does this mean I get free tickets every time I come in? I'll just show this to them. What is for me, what is this? It's all right. That's not fair. इसमें इंसाफ है.
हम इधर भी
यहाँ पे
हम पूरा इधर
Guys, must be. But actually इसमें नहीं.
यहाँ पे
जरा सांग मध्ये यायला
हे त्याला घे. टायमात नाही भेटला. तो समजून गेला.
Why I made it black. Better?
one for me निकेश
Hi man, how's it going? Good. Few people and the response has been largely on the positive side. मैं इसके साथ में बाइट करता हूँ. बाइक होल्ड अरे फायदा ही नहीं है ना ऐसे. चमक रहा है ना. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं दिखाने के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं ये फीलिंग के लिए कर रहा हूँ. Oh mics. You want us to hold some of them? Comfortable? Lolling.
So the experience, like it's welcome, like it's very great food also. What do you want to say?
Which one?
The food was good.
It really
For
was.
sure.
It was unexpectedly good. And more than anything, it was fresh food, which is a rare experience in the cinema halls. So,
I mean, usually don't get fresh food in cinema halls. Like it's
Exactly.
just popcorns and very, very stale food. So I guess this is great.
it's true.
Yeah, thanks to Inox for doing
Popcorn
this.
can be fresh, but
Yeah, but that's it. That's
It
the only
isn't-
fresh thing that's there.
it isn't always. And but this isn't like a snack. This is a meal. You know, you can come here, have your dinner, watch a film. It's quite a luxurious experience. I was just telling them that I feel like I need to do 5 more films to deserve this kind of treatment in a movie theater. But it's great. You know,
Yeah, it's quite a 5-star
it's a
treatment that
nice,
they're doing.
nice evening out. Yeah.
The time is coming closer. The movie is going to release. Is this kind of nervousness in your mind or heart?
जी, थोड़ी बहुत.
I guess there is. You know, up till now it was all good. I mean, it's just overwhelming, you know, because you're releasing it out to such a large audience. People all over the world are reacting to it, and Yeah, it's a very big feeling, but it's a very positive feeling. It's very overwhelming, and you have so much attachment when you worked on something so closely and poured your heart into it, and then you have to let it go. So it's one of those bittersweet
Yeah.
things, but
So
it's
many emotions, yeah. Nervousness, excitement, curiosity.
but it's mostly good stuff, man. It's all the positive stuff.
One of the best compliment to you and your character.
What's the best compliment to me?
You and your character.
Uh,
One of them.
One of them. Well, I still say this. The best compliment I received was from my mother, because she knows me best, and she saw the film for the first time, and she said, "Who are you?" And she couldn't recognize me, in a part. So that I hold very closely to my heart, and a lot of people have been reacting like that.
And your Malvika.
I think it was the first time we screened the film at the London Film Festival. It was a world premiere. And this girl came to me after the film and she spoke to me and she was like, she told me the scenes that she liked. And then later she asked me, do you know where the actress is? And I was like, okay. I'm on tight schedule. One more question.
Yeah. Ishan, do you think now time it's become difficult to survive in Bollywood when we see a lot of competitors in a current slot also, and now we see that the trend is going on for the classic also movie on Friday. Do you think?
Well, I think as long as you work hard and you're good at your job, and there are people who want to come see you work, survival is not the problem. I guess growth might be, because you're working and you tend to get complacent, and then you get sucked into this wormhole of this repetitive life of, So I think that could be a problem. That's something you've got to make an active effort to keep growing. But I think, nobody can determine who's going to survive, who's not going to survive, who's going to do well, who's not going to do well. It's just, you got to do your best, And if you're any good, I guess it'll pay off.
After watching the trailer, one of the fans just said on front of me that after the Bollywood in Amir Khan, Ishan will known for his acting. How do you see this compliment?
I take it as a huge compliment, and anything positive is doubly reciprocated. So I love you, brother, for saying that, and I hope not to disappoint you, and I hope to keep doing good work and making you happy with my films.
Wish you all the best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Visuals, यानी ऊपर नीचे ना, तो हम झुकेंगे नहीं ना, आप कैमरा टिल्ट कीजिए ना, हम भी मस्ती करेंगे। एक फोटो चाहिए। कम मालिका पीछे फोटो चाहिए। आप बीच में आ जाओ। यहाँ पे। Say hi. My name is Abhijit. वो live camera. And tomorrow I will watch Beyond the Curtain.
I got it.
अब चल वाला। जाओ।